Check this out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. This is Chris 19 A.F.E. Going to try to explain to you guys the difference here and the advantages of having API checking versus your bank and my finance Robinhood. Now, most of you guys may have a checking account. Well, I'm pretty sure everybody has a checking account with a traditional bank, but your bank doesn't offer you any money in your checking account, or they offer you a very low percent on your savings here. Robinhood is completely free, and they offer you 0.30% on whatever money that you have sitting there. In this case, I have $196 sitting there, so $196 is earning 0.30% every month. And One Finance offers you 1%, but it's not free. It costs you 125 every month. Not every month, 125 every year. Sorry about that. So right now, first what we're going to do here, we're going to go over Robinhood. It says Robinhood is free. Then we're going to M1 Finance and see which one best suits your needs or can best earn you the most money. So we're going to go here. Let's say right now we're going to use the actual limits we have. We have $196.25, which isn't much. And so this offers us 30% of that every single month, where our bank account does it yearly, and it's less than that. So right here we're gonna do 30% of 196, so we're going to 0.30% of $196, because I forgot the change already, which isn't much, only 58 cents. So that's not much. Uh, so you'll get 58 cents a month off of this just sitting there, which is not much at all. So, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to focus on long term here. So we're gonna go over the snowball effect and long term. So say you're somebody that's scared of investing. You can have your money just sitting here in Robinhood. Let's just say you start off with 400 a month, right? Uh, let's say we do 400 a month. Same as we did last time. We're gonna say we have money put to the side. So let's just say uh, 0.30% of 400. Oh, I think I just did that wrong. Which is going to be 3 cents, which is not that much. Let me make sure I did that right. There we go. $1 is $1.12. So let's say you do $100 every week, right? You do $100 every week. You have after your first, if not, yeah, after your first month, you have $400 sitting there. Right, I'm going to pay you $1.20 on that, and so that's $1.20 every month. So you do that $1.20, and carry that over to the next month. Then you will have the next month you will have 401.20, if that makes sense. And then you'll put another 400 in there, which should be, we do another 400 every month, so we'll say 800. And this will be a snowball effect starts to kick in. And so you got 30%, that'll be $2.40. So that $2.40 will be added on to that. And so that gives you what? It give you $3.60. This is where your snowball start kicking up. Then your second month, you have another 400 to that. So you have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 1,200. And you see now you're getting $3.60. So you can see how the snowball effect start kicking you up as you have money to the side and you're earning interest in it. Now, generally, you're not really seeing too much money at all because you're only getting $3 a month. So it means not that much. In this time, maybe with anything, because you're just now starting off. And so if on your second month or third month you have 1,200 in there of your own money, and uh they give you $3.60 right there, and it just adds up. Now I say you do this for a year or 2 years, or let's get a little bit crazy with it. Let's just say you have 20,000. Let's say you're doing this for 2 or 3 years, you got 20,000, okay? And you put it in there. You'll be getting $6 a month, which isn't, generally is speaking, this is not much. And $6 a month, that won't pay your bills or anything like that, but it's a little passive income that you can have. And you have to remember, Robinhood is completely free, so there's a passive income that you can have. Now, if you're looking, let's say we get 40,000, you have 40,000 in there. We're skipping up the high here. 40,000 to get you 120 a month. So I mean, you're not really looking at anything here. 50,000, you have $50 saved up, get you $150 a month. So 30%. You won't really make a profit until you get to like 100,000. I say. Let's see. Well, I mean, all this is profit, but as far as a big change, let's say 100,000. And that's 100,000 is $3,000. So I mean, that's you could do something with 100,000. That's I think I did too many zeros in that one. I may be lying to you guys. There we go. Yeah, I lied to you guys. That's too many zeros. It's 300. I know it's $300. So Robinhood's completely free, and that'd be $300 a month. So maybe you can use that. So if you start off now and you just you're putting money in there like crazy. It may take about how much you make a year. You make 20,000 a year. It may take a while to get to that, but you'll still be having that passive income. Now, so we just went over that. So let's say you make 20,000, you put your whole yearly budget in there. I messed up on the zeros today like crazy. So that's $60 right there, and then it goes up from there. So 21 year, 40, 56. So it's also small, but you get that snowball effect as it start piling up, and that's Robinhood because it's completely free. Now let's say we got that same 20,000, right? Let's put it over to M1 Finance. M1 Finance gives you a whopping 1%. So if we was to do the same thing on M1 Finance, that same 20,000 right there, we'll say 1%. Big difference, $200. So that's every month. So we're gonna start off low. Let's say our first month, right? We're doing $400 we're doing $100 every week. So let's say our first month we have $400 in there. We get $4. Isn't much, right? Next month another 400. So we're looking at 800. But we just got that $4 from the previous month. That's going to be a snowball effect, our passive income right there. And so now we have $8.04 it pays us. It's not much, but you'll do that. What you guys are gonna do here? You're gonna do that $8.04. You're gonna do the $8.04 plus the $4, and so they'll give you $12 right there. So you got $12, but at the same time you do another 400, and so you do another 400. That's gonna be 12. So you got $1,212 on your second month. No, this is our third month. That snowball, and you see how the snowball effect is picking up. You got $12 right there. I'm not including the change here. I don't want to do too much math. So that's going to turn into 24 and another 4 right here. This is on the fourth month right here. Boom, $16. And you see how that snowball effect is going up. All right. So we're gonna pretend like we're not gonna do any interest. We're gonna say, all right, we saved up for 1 year, right? We saved up for 1 year. We did $400 a month. So we did $400 a month for 12 months. There we go. For 12 months. And so we start off with 4,800, okay? So we're going to say 1% of 4,800. So we start off with that. Boom. $48 a month. Now you can see here how that 1% is making a big difference versus Robinhood. Now you guys may look at that. Oh, this $48 is not a lot of money. $40 because this is only 4,800. So some of you guys may have 10,000 saved up, or you may have your taxes in. You may be close to 10,000. 1% of 10,000. I think I did that right. Did this wrong. My math is complete off today. So that's $100 right there. 1% of 10,000 is $100. Some of you guys may have that saved up for taxes, something like that. So that's $100 extra a month you could be using instead of blowing your money and not getting any return back on that. That's 10,000 right there. So obviously you have 20,000, 200, 30,000. You just take off a zero. 30,000, 300, 40,000, 400 a month. If you have 50,000, that's 500 a month. And granted, this is every month. So this is passive income every month. And you guys see what M1 Finance will have the biggest advantage here. And I really encourage to have your money sitting here in M1 Finance because your money is basically clocking in, going to work, earning more money. And if you do this, let's say you get to 50,000, right? Let's say you get to 50, you do the whole work, get 50,000. That's $500 a month. That could be for rent. That could be for groceries. That could be for bills. You won't need to work your butt off too much because you have a free check coming every month. And say you put the extra work in, right, and you get to 100,000, right? That is that's 100,000 right there. That's $1,000 a month. And if you're married and you got a partner and you guys are teaming up and you guys doing this together and you guys can get to 200,000, that's 2,000 a month, $300 or 3,000 a month. You guys can make it to where you don't have to work anymore. You guys can have passive income without investing in stocks, without having to go to a job. You guys have passive income that you can grow off of yourself. And I'm doing this without the snowball effect. So this is just per a month without snowball effect. You guys want to start off, it's going to start off small. Everything starts off small. But that snowball effect is going to pick up. It's going to keep going, and it's going to get eventually, it's going to get to where it's passive income. I would say if you want to do M1 finance, I always say start M1 finance with a minimum of $1,250. And I covered this in one of my videos. The reason why you would start off with $1,250 is because they charge you $125 a year, because this isn't free. And that's why, because you make so much money. This one isn't free. They charge you $125 a year. And so to make sure, if you're not gonna put money here, to make sure that you're making money, 1% of 1,250 is $12.50, right? So 1% of so if you start off 1,250, you're making $12.50 every month. And you would do that for a year. So that month, booyah, that 150 that you just made for that year, because it's every month, $12.50 every month. That 150 that you just made for that year will cover that 125 right there. Boom, you have to pay that thing. That covers that. So you would say minus 125, and you make about $25. And that's starting off. That's just starting off. That way, if you have $1,250, you can just start off with that. Boom, you don't have to worry about paying that. But let's just say if you start, you can start off less than that. You can start off with $0. It doesn't matter. But if you start off with less than $1,250, you put $0 in there. And you just start off where you have to pay the $125, and you just starting off. Make sure that you're actively putting money in there, because it won't pay for itself. It will not pay for itself until you reach 1,250. That's when you can leave it alone. If you guys want to follow my documentary, you guys will see here where I started. I realized this because y'all can see here, I was just doing just 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, my interest was 9 cents. Look at this. At the end of the month, October 31st, my interest was 9 cents. They didn't get paid much. Now I'm still paying out of pocket, that's not going to cover the 125. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Snowball effect, 12 cents. As you can see that, snowball effect, 12 cents. Not a lot. Then 10, 10, 10. I said, wait a minute. Now I'm going to put in $100 every week. 4 weeks in a month, I'm putting $100 every week. And that way, I can get to that. Because right now, you see right now, my interest right now, I got $305. I got $300. This extra 5 cents from interest. I got $300 right here. That's not covering anything. So if I do 1% of 300, this is if I was to leave it alone. 1% of 300, I'm only making $3 a month. So I gotta put a lot more money in there. So I'm doing $100 every week, so I could get to that 1,250, and I can cover that. And the year just started is December 28 right now. So next month will be the beginning of the next year, and I'm gonna do this for a year. And so if you guys want to follow my growth and a step by step, week by week, where you want somebody to be doing this with you, you guys can subscribe to the channel and follow my weekly documentaries, where I'm uploading my weekly financial journey here, where I'm doing M1 finance, I'm doing Robinhood, and I'm doing investing with stocks. It's also things like interest paying like this, where you don't have to worry about paying any money. And it's just gonna be a lot of information and a lot of educational stuff to help you guys have better financial decisions for your future, and to help you guys have a better living environment. And so yeah, just follow my journey and we can see where this takes us. So I can't wait to see you guys at the end of the month here, when we're going to be doing our passive interest rate income videos here. So this is going to be like a monthly deal we're going to be doing. I'm going to have weekly reports too for stocks and things, and I'll be doing updates throughout the week. And these videos will be specifically long videos at the end of the month, where we go through our monthly payments, and at the end of the year, we'll probably do a collage. If this guys help you understand how to do passive interest, please let me know in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, or this left you more confused, let me know in the comments so I can better elaborate and help you guys understand, because it doesn't benefit anybody if you have questions. So if you have questions, please let me know in the comments below so I can make this video a lot better for new people, old people, veterans, whoever, so a lot of people can understand this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.